Is it actually possible to build a 5-bedroom home in 2026 for under $400,000? 5 spacious bedrooms, soaring vaulted ceilings, charming cottage character wrapped in bold black metal, all for potentially 40% less than a traditional custom home. I'm about to break down the exact verified cost to build a 5-bedroom black cottage hybrid barndominium in 2026, and the numbers will surprise you. But if you skip ahead, you'll miss the 3 hidden cost factors that could add $25,000 to $45,000 to your build. Stick with me because by the end, you'll know exactly what this dream home actually costs. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post verified construction cost breakdowns every week, and next week I'm revealing which barndominium builders are overcharging by 30%. Now, let's get into the real costs. What is a black cottage hybrid barndominium? A cottage hybrid barndominium blends 3 elements. You've got the structural efficiency of metal barndominium construction, the cozy charm of cottage design with steep gables and welcoming porches, and modern farmhouse functionality with open layouts. The black exterior has exploded in popularity through 2025 into 2026. Tricorn black metal siding from Sherwin-Williams is now the #1 selling dark exterior color. Black barndominiums photograph beautifully, create stunning contrast with natural surroundings, and have timeless architectural quality that will look incredible 20 years from now. The cottage hybrid merge is where things get interesting. You get the warmth of reclaimed wood beams, the character of stone accents, and the charm of steeply pitched roofs, while maintaining spacious open floor plans that barndominiums are known for. For a 5-bedroom layout, you're looking at a 60 by 70 footprint, giving you 4,200 square feet total. This allows wing-based layouts where you separate the primary suite from children's bedrooms, create dedicated zones for quiet and activity, and still have room for that cottage-style wraparound porch. The verified cost breakdown. Now the actual verified costs for 2026. I'm breaking this into shell costs and interior finishing with ranges for budget, mid-range, and high-end finishes. All prices exclude land purchase and site preparation. Shell and structure costs for 60 by 70 at 4,200 square feet. Metal building kit runs $50,000 to $85,000 including primary and secondary framing, metal roofing and siding and matte black PBR panels, fasteners, trim, and engineered plans. Foundation for 4,200 square foot slab runs $25,200 to $35,000 for standard 4-inch residential slab with vapor barriers and rebar reinforcement. Custom end walls with cottage features, windows, and entry doors cost $18,000 to $32,000. This adds charming gables, mixed materials like board and batten accents, and proper window placement. Assembly and erection with professionals runs $18,000 to $28,000. Shell total, $111,200 to $180,000 for the weatherproof exterior before interior work. Interior finishing costs. Insulation using spray foam costs $6,300 to $21,000 at $1.50 to $5 per square foot. Essential for energy efficiency in metal buildings. Interior framing and drywall for bedrooms, bathrooms, and partition walls runs $58,000 to $95,000 including lumber, drywall, tape, texture, and labor. Flooring throughout 4,200 square feet costs $42,000 to $84,000. Budget uses luxury vinyl plank at $4 to $6 per square foot. Mid-range uses engineered hardwood at $8 to $12. High-end uses real hardwood at $12 to $20 per square foot. Kitchen build-out runs $35,000 to $75,000. Budget has stock cabinets and laminate countertops. Mid-range features semi-custom cabinets and quartz. High-end includes custom cabinets and premium stone. Bathroom finishes for 3 to 5 bathrooms total $25,000 to $65,000, which is $5,000 to $13,000 per bathroom, depending on tile, fixtures, and vanities. Electrical systems run $18,000 to $35,000 including panel, wiring, outlets, switches, and fixtures. Plumbing systems cost $16,000 to $28,000 for all supply lines, drains, and fixtures. HVAC installation runs $12,000 to $24,000. You'll need a zone system for this size. Interior doors for approximately 15 doors cost $3,500 to $10,000 at $155 to $688 each. Trim, baseboards, and finished carpentry runs $8,000 to $18,000. Interior painting costs $8,400 to $25,200 at $2 to $6 per square foot. Cottage-specific features like wood beam accents, stone fireplace, board and batten walls, and custom built-ins add $15,000 to $45,000. Interior finishing total $247,200 to $520,200 for budget to high-end finishes. Total project cost. Shell Plus Interior gives you a total verified 2026 cost of $358,400 to $700,200. That's $85 to $167 per square foot, significantly less than traditional custom home construction at $150 to $400 per square foot. A traditional 5-bedroom custom home with similar square footage costs $630,000 to $1,680,000. You're saving $250,000 to $980,000 with the Barndominium approach. The 3 hidden cost factors. Remember those 3 hidden costs I mentioned? Here they are. Factor 1. Cottage-specific architectural elements. Those charming cross gables, dormers, and mixed material facades increase complexity. Each roof valley adds cost. Each material transition requires more labor. Budget an extra $12,000 to $25,000 for authentic cottage roofline complexity beyond a simple gable. Factor 2. Window selection. Cottage designs use lots of windows, often with divided lights or special shapes. Standard vinyl windows cost $300 to $600 each. Cottage-style wood or fiberglass windows with divided lights run $800 to $2,000 each. 425 to 30 windows. That's a difference of $12,500 to $42,000. Factor 3. Porch construction. That wraparound porch is essential for cottage character. A quality covered porch costs $25 to $50 per square foot. A 600 square foot wraparound porch adds $15,000 to $30,000. Combined, these 3 elements add $39,500 to $97,000 beyond basic Barndominium costs. Most builders won't tell you this up front, but now you know exactly what a budget. Regional cost variations. Your location dramatically impacts final costs. Texas builds average $85 to $155 per square foot. Midwest states like Missouri, Arkansas, and Kansas run $90 to $160. Mountain states with snow load requirements cost $95 to $170. Coastal areas with hurricane requirements run $105 to $185. California with stringent codes costs $125 to $250+ per square foot. Land and site prep costs. Since we excluded these from main numbers, here's what they run. Rural land costs $3,000 to $15,000 per acre. Expect 2 to 5 acres minimum, so $6,000 to $75,000 for land. Site preparation including clearing, grading, and driveway runs $8,000 to $25,000. Utility connections are the biggest surprise. Well drilling costs $5,000 to $15,000. Septic installation runs $10,000 to $20,000. Power from the road costs $5 to $15 per linear foot overhead or $10 to $25 underground. Total land and site prep adds $40,000 to $150,000 to your project. Budget smart decisions. To hit the lower cost range, here are moves that work. Handle shell erection yourself with friends and family, saving $18,000 to $28,000. Choose luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, saving $20,000 to $40,000 compared to real hardwood. Use stock or semi-custom kitchen cabinets instead of full custom, saving $15,000 to $30,000. Limit cottage details to high-impact areas like the main living space, saving $10,000 to $25,000. Start with 3 bathrooms instead of 5, saving $10,000 to $26,000 initially. These 5 decisions reduce total cost by $73,000 to $149,000 while still delivering an incredible home. Financing reality. Traditional mortgages remain challenging for Barndominiums. Your best options are construction loans requiring 20 to 25% down, cash builds, USDA rural development loans, if you qualify, or portfolio lenders. Many successful owners build in phases. They complete and finance the shell first, then refinance to finish the interior. This makes the structure more mortgage-ready. Timeline expectations. Expect 8 to 14 months from breaking ground to move-in ready with professional help. The shell goes up in 2 to 6 weeks. Interior finishing takes 6 to 12 months, depending on finish level and DIY involvement. This is faster than traditional construction at 12 to 18 months for comparable custom homes. Why this combination works. The black metal exterior with cottage charm solves several design challenges. Black provides bold modern appeal and timeless sophistication. Cottage elements add warmth and character. The Barndominium structure delivers open floor plans and budget efficiency that makes the project feasible. For families needing 5 bedrooms, this delivers more square footage, more character, and more value than traditional builds at this price point. Final verified numbers. Shell costs $111,200 to $180,000. Interior finishing $247,200 to $520,200. Total build $358,400 to $700,200 at $85 to $167 per square foot. Cottage upgrades add $39,500 to $97,000. Land and site prep add $40,000 to $150,000. Your true all-in cost, including land, runs $437,900 to $947,200 for a complete 5-bedroom black cottage hybrid Barndominium. That same square footage in traditional custom build costs $670,000 to $1,830,000. The savings are real and substantial. There you have it. The complete verified cost breakdown for a 5-bedroom black cottage hybrid Barndominium in 2026. No fluff, just real numbers from real builds. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me what size Barndominium you're considering, and subscribe for more honest construction cost content. Next week, I'm breaking down DIY versus contractor build costs, and the numbers might shock you. Thanks for watching.